Ever wondered how to cook a camel? Well, want to know more? First things first, grab your ingredients: camel meat, olive oil, garlic, onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, spices, fresh herbs, lemon juice, and some water or broth. Step 1. Preparation. Clean and cut the camel meat, removing excess fat. Marinate it with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight if you're patient. Step 2. Searing. Heat olive oil in a large pot. Sear the camel meat on all sides until browned, then set it aside. Step 3. Sautéing. In the same pot, sauté onions until translucent. Add garlic, tomatoes, and bell peppers, cooking until they soften. Step 4. Cooking. Return the meat to the pot, add more spices, and pour in water or broth. Bring to a boil, then simmer on low for 2 to 3 hours until tender. Step 5. Finishing touches. Stir in fresh parsley and cilantro. Adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Serve your delicious camel meat stew over rice, couscous, or with flatbread. Bon appetit!